just one, they all change. Because right now we have just 3. Could you imagine if there were 300, like in a documentary? Right? So instead of adding the effect directly to the clip, we are going to add the effect to the master clip. In other words, to the clip from which this originated from. That way, every instance of that clip will be affected, which is super cool. So, if I double click this guy, it opens in the source panel. But that's not what I want. No, 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 no. I need to open the master clip from here. And that has always been known in editing programs as a match frame. In other words, match the frame that my playhead is on top of to the frame from the original one. Right? And the shortcut for that is the letter F. That is the master clip. If I just double click it, that's not the master clip, that's a sub-clip or a clip instance. But now that I press the letter F, this is the master clip. So here we go. The master clip is the one in the source panel. I'm going to go and add a fast color corrector to this. Oh, I just dragged it up. When I go to the effect controls panel, it's like, there you go. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to go back to the source, and I'm going to change this, because I like to do things the right way. I'm going to go to the YC waveform, because, you know, we have funny things in video called illegal colors. You know, you can't go past, you know. No, the color police doesn't come and get you, but it's one of those things, right? So I want my values to be between 0 and 100, 0 being the darkest and 100 being the brightest. And right now, 0 is pretty good, but look, I'm like at 65. No wonder the clip looks so dark. So I'm just going to brighten it up a little bit. Oh, yes. And quite frankly, because I have this, I don't even need to look at the actual footage. This is telling me all I need to know. This is the Luma. 0 the darkest, 100 the brightest. And now I'm going to go, yeah, you know what? Let me look at the chroma. So that's called a vector scope. And